Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. And for today, I will be presenting to you my study entitled Pipe It Out, evaluating the effect of varying volume increments on the accuracy and precision of different pipettes. But first, before we start, let us first define what is increments. So, it is referred to as increase of addition, especially one of a series on a fixed scale. So these are the processes upon conducting this experiment. So let's jump to our results, conclusion, and discussion. So for the results, as you can see on the graph that the three pipettes are overlapping to each other. So this concludes that smaller volume increments does not inherently determine its accuracy, and all of them are approximately equal, and they don't have significant difference. So, to support this claim, I conducted a two-way factor ANOVA without replication in order to know the significant differences of the pipettes of its accuracy. So the p-value is telling that it's greater than 0.05, so that strengthens the claim that all of the pipettes have no significant differences. However, on the precision, the most precise pipette is the 10 ml pipette to be followed by 15 and lastly 5 ml pipette. So for the recommendation, I highly recommend the use of analytical balance in order to avoid bias. And lastly, the expertise of using rubber pipette fillers for liquid aspiration and withdrawal. Thank you so much for listening, and the floor is now open for question and answer.